Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today's topic is Cartrade IPO. As you all know that it is coming next week, so the detail analysis we are doing here. I will try to cover each and every part of this particular IPO. So this particular company is incorporated in 2000. Okay, so it has various other companies like Carvana, Cartrade, Shriram Auto Mall, Bikewala, Cartrade Exchange, Adroit Auto and Autobiz. Okay, this company deals in basically automobile sector. Okay, so they used to do the sale and purchase and various other operation, maintenance, everything they used to do. Okay, so they come up with their IPO in the market. So if we talk about company financials, then the company total asset as compared to previous financial year, it has been increased. So current financial year the assets are 19,301 million, whereas last financial year it was 14,704, and previous to that it was 14,270, near to 2020. Okay, total revenue if we talk about, then it is slightly decreased as compared to the previous financial year. So current financial year it is 2815, whereas last financial year it was 3184 million, and in 2019 it is 2668 million. Okay, but if you see here the profit after tax, so it is basically 3 times as compared to the last financial year. So in this financial year it is 1010 million, whereas in its previous financial year it was 313 million, and in 2019 it was 259 million. Okay, so now if we talk about the important information about this particular IPO, then it is opening on 9th of August, closing on 11th of August. It is a book building issue. The price band would be on 1585 to 1618 per equity share. The market lot for one lot would be 9 shares. The listing would be on BSE as well as NSE, and the issue size is 18,532,216 equity shares. Okay, when the issue will close, the issue close on 11th of August, the allotment would come on 17th of August, the credit of share into the demat account would be on 20th of August, and the listing would be on 23rd of August. Okay, so the minimum allotment which you need to pay 14,562 rupees for one lot. As a retail category you can apply maximum for 2 lakhs. In 2 lakhs you will only get 13 lots, in which 117 shares would be there, whose price would be 1,89,306 rupees. Okay, so if we talk about the registrar for this particular IPO, it is LinkedIn. Okay, so allotment would come on this particular website, which is which would be LinkedIn if you type on Google. So at last I would say that the grey market premium for this particular IPO is good, which is around 38 to 40% of its price. So you can go ahead with this particular IPO. Among the 4 IPO which are coming on next week, so this would be at the top while applying among 4. Okay, the demand is good, the company is good. Okay, one more thing I just want to add, that for this particular IPO you would require the fresh money into your account, like the 4 IPO which closed on previous week. So that money you cannot use in this particular IPO. You would require a fresh money on all your accounts, and I must tell you that you should apply from each of your family member into this particular IPO, and the listing would be expected as good listing. The minimum gain would be around 40%. That keeps on changing basically, but I must tell you one thing, that you should go ahead with this particular IPO. All the best. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.